Hello everyone, this is me ALIRAZA, and today I'm going to cover a video regarding 8 confirmed ranking factors to rank your website on Google in 2023. So in case if you're trying to do SEO, or in case if you have been failed trying, or in case if you're still struggling and looking for other ways to get your website ranked on Google, or want to know exactly what are the most important factors to rank your website on Google, then this video is going to be for you. So guys, make sure that you don't lose a second of it, because I'm going to reveal and discuss interesting points, strategies which I have personally experienced, and I have seen that they do hugely impact on your rankings when you're trying to rank your website on Google when it comes to SEO. So let's get started with this video. So okay, so credit given where required, credit should be given to RF for this. Basically, exactly, they are the men who found it. Now move on to the first factor, and that is backlinks. Backlinks are actually clickable links from your website to another website, or from someone website to your website. One thing is called internal linking, and one thing is called external linking, and one thing is called people linking to your website. Okay, so the more links your website gets, higher there is a chance of getting your website ranked. Now this is a very common, very popular way to rank your website, and I know that mostly you are watching already know about this method. It's nothing new, because that is one of the very famous, very common method to rank your website. And people who try to rank on their website, they try, the first thing is that they work on creating backlinks for their website. So that is the number one thing I want to say, that is a confirmed ranking factor by RF even, that backlinks you are very important for your website. Okay, I know that there are many case studies, and have seen many people who are able to rank their website without backlinks. It doesn't mean that backlinks is the only way to rank your website, but it is one of the factors. So you can consider many factors and get your website ranked. So it is not always necessary that backlinks, without backlinks you cannot rank a website. It's good to have backlinks, but I'm not saying that you can't rank a website without backlinks. Even for a long tail keywords, it's very easy to get your website ranked by working on UI and other factors which I'm going to discuss in the video. And the next factor is relevancy or rank brain. Okay, what is rank brain? Rank brain is a concept introduced by branding, and it actually emphasizes and tell people that Google tries to understand your website content, what your website content about is, and then Google can rank your website for even hundreds of keywords with relevancy. So Google wants to see that you have a site authority over a particular subject, over a particular thing or not. If you have that, you can rank on many keywords apart from the main keyword you are trying to rank. So it will also help you to in ranking smaller keywords as well as your own main keyword. And what you can do is you can do even silo structure to work and create relevancy on your website. And I also have a video on silo structure in my SEO playlist on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to miss that. You can see that these are the websites, and these are the websites, if they are ranking for air fryer, they are also ranking on other relevant keywords related to air fryer, such as best air fryer brand, air fryer best brand, what is the best brand, top air fryer brands, top brand. So relevancy and the rank brain concept of branding, it actually correlates here, and this tells that this is another important factor in getting your website ranked when it comes to SEO on Google. And now freshness is something I have personally tested. And in case even if you search on Google for a query, let's say Netflix news shows, because now that is a more searchable keyword, and that people are looking for a new content because they are searching for a new show. So it means that the importance of freshness is much more important on this keyword as compared to a query such as how to solve math sums. Now that answer has been answered, and people are not looking for any dramatic change on the answer, because nothing new invention is done today. But still even the results are old, still freshness matters, and it can impact your ranking. Even I got one of my website which was hit penalized and got out of the Google. And I consider that the freshness or keeping on updating your content was and is an important strategy in ranking your website on Google, and that is also a confirmed factor to rank your website. And now it's 2023, and come on, if you aren't using HTTPS on your website. I mean, HTTPS is a secure layer, and in case if you aren't still using it, it means that it means that you are losing a lot when it comes to security, when it comes to Google trust, and when it comes to even users trust. Because when people will open, there will be a warning sign displayed before opening your website. So people will be little uncomfortable in opening your website. So that is another confirmed ranking factor you don't need you aren't going to miss on. And now mobile friendliness. Yeah, everyone knows this, and I know that most of the people have a mobile friendliness websites, and I think my viewers already are using mobile friendly websites, either by using AMP accelerated mobile pages, or by making their website mobile friendly. Either of the strategy works fine, but the thing is that mobile friendly, it's very important to have your website mobile friendly, and I think most of you already know about it. And now the thing is, I used to say, whenever I go to different events or wherever, I used to say that a second late is a second lost. So when a person or a visitor or a potential consumer opens your website, and the time it requires to open your website, in case if it's too long, the user may start thinking about other things. And as a marketer, we don't want to distract them to think about any other thing apart from or else our website. So to have the maximum focus on our website, we want to load it as quickly as possible. Even if it was not a ranking factor, it is a CRO factor, conversion rate optimization factor, and it is a sales factor. So in either scenario, I do not want you to lose in this. That PA, you do not need to take this lightly, because page speed is very, very, very important for your website. In case if you ask me, I would rank page speed and freshness of the content on the first two slots. If you ask me, on my opinion, that would be my priority. And core web vitals, these are the ranking landing page performance solutions such as LCP, large contentful paint, cumulative layout shift. These are available on Google Search Console. Whenever you open, you will find more on them. And again, these are the factors in case of any issues when it comes to programming, scripting, or speeds, or any server or any image loading issues on your website. They will, you can find them through Google Search Console in case if there are any issues on your website and you need to figure them and get them sorted. So these are the 8 confirmed ranking factors to rank your website on Google. Yeah, I try to discuss, and in case if you ask me by my personal opinion, so I would rank on freshness number 1. That freshness is very, very, very important. Very, 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 because I'm highlighting it because I know the importance of this thing, that you cannot even ignore it. So mobile friendliness is the freshness is the number 1 thing I want you to emphasize on. And then I let me see the points, because I forgot the point while talking to you. And the second thing is the page speediness. Yeah, page speediness. Because I've been telling you lately, and even to many people, I see that a second late is a second lost. So because this is my code, so you need to give credit where due. So in case if you use my code, please give credits to me as well. So because I do not want visitors to think about something else while they are trying to open my website, so my suggestion or strategy would be to make my website loaded as soon as possible. Even I have to use CDN, content delivery network. Even I have to hire a WordPress optimizer in case if I have to buy a good SSD hosting or any fast hosting which can make my website load as quickly as possible. I will do for it, and you should also go for it, because apart from user experience, and the third thing my ranking strategy is, the third thing I would say is that the UI, user experience, is the third most important factor in getting your website ranked. Now I'm not talking about backlinks or HTTPS, but these are my points. But the first I told you were as suggested by RF. So in case if you ask me, So these are the three things I do not want you to miss out on. So yeah, I discussed with them, with you guys. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or in case if you think that, if you feel that, if you felt a particular strategy or a factor as a ranking factor and you want to add on, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. I will be looking forward for your comments. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting for your subscription, because I've seen that people are watching my videos but they are not subscribing to my channel. I mean, why? I mean, why? So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.